Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will show how you can fix sound and speaker problem on Realme P4X. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon and do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.